Hello and good day, guys. Today, this is the only pair which I will take a lot of time to analyze. So please be patient and bear with me because if you see the next week, I mean this coming week calendar, let's go and see what is going on. So I beg your pardon, not 24th. This is the calendar. We have 17th March to March 23. And you guys can see there is huge news coming on this week. Japanese monetary policy, interest rate, Australian dollar cash rate, Reserve Bank of Australia rate statement, Reserve Bank of Australia press conference, revised industrial production of JPY, BOG press conference. Then the Canadian dollar, we have huge news on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have GBP, CPY, and other news which will impact GBP very seriously. And on it is my timeline, so on Wednesday, uh, that is the beginning of Thursday in my time, federal fund rate. This is a very vital, important. And then FOMC projection, everything is coming on Wednesday in your time if you are not in Asia. Employment change, unemployment, Australian dollar again, Euro, we have a lot of news. CHF, Swiss franc, we have a lot of news. Euro, lot of news on Thursday, and it continues. Thursday is a very rough day for the whole market, US dollar. And on Friday again, GBP and Euro, and also USD Fed Chairman Jeremy Powell speaks. So this will be a very volatile week. So if you are watching this video and you would like to trade other pairs also, please be very careful. Make your stop loss, make your long and short very wisely. Otherwise, you will lose a lot of money. So that is from the calendar I have. Now, the thing I would like to analyze this pair very deeply, that how whether the market structure is dominated by the news or the market structure still can maintain its integrity with its market structural pattern, price action, all these things can stand the momentum and the volatility of the news. That's the major thing I want to test on USD JPY this pair. And also, I will test that on a few other pair like AUD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, NSD JPY. So I don't know whether I will do video on all of them, but the USD JPY is one of the most major pair at the moment in my consideration. Sorry, taking too much time on this discussion. So this is the monthly thing we have of USD JPY. But just for your information, I will do analyze the gold this time. I want to see how this is impact also the gold. So let's move to USD JPY. Sorry guys, I just shifted to okay. So here the range is in my mind. The bigger range is from 127.30 to the highest is 151.86 at the moment is in my mind, and the 50% is lying here in monthly. So there was a double top here which pushed the price back here, and we had this double bottom. This double bottom happened. This one. From here, if we consider that this is the depth of the market, then in that case 126.30 100 pips will increase. And if we adjust the change accordingly, then the middle line should be changed a little bit. So let's change it. Okay, this is the thing we have in mind. Now, after making this double bottom, the price has got bullish and very good bullish. Not only bullish, very good bullish. It is going up, and then it made a double top here again, and again it has been pushed the price back here in December, uh, and then again in January, February we got some bullish. The February, December highest has been taken out by the February candle, and now this is March we are seeing, and we have seen some downtrend on the monthly candlestick and a very good retracement. This is a very big retracement, or you can say the buyer to control not only for the last 2 weeks 239 pips, not a easy matter, it's a lot of pips. So that's it from the monthly time frame, and the only thing I can mention here that this is the imbalance left in monthly, and also on the top side we have this imbalance. If you see, this is the imbalance left, which has not yet been touched either on any side by this month, not on the top, on the bottom. So keep this in mind. Now moving back to weekly, can you see, can we have any pattern? If we see, we can say, but it's not sanguine until this month is finished, so we are not going to analyze that. Okay, coming back to weekly now. So what is happening now? Last part, previous week, you can see we have a very strong bearish candle, and it didn't came down to this monthly imbalance. Then we had this candle last week. This is a bullish candle, and we don't see any type of imbalance so far, because once it's open we can see that only, but before that we can say this is the imbalance has been left in the weekly. This is the area where the market has not been gone after coming down, moving up last week. And you guys can see that this is a very strong candle. This last week candle is a very good one, though we have a little shadow over there, but it's a very strong candle. Like this was a very strong candle in last but previous week. And you guys can see in monthly we don't have a double bottom here for any good reason, but in weekly we had this double bottom, red green red green. So if we consider this double bottom, this guy, okay, this is the guy in the double bottom, then we have the range here. This is the new range. Can you guys see? I hope so. If we consider the new range, you see the market has just, the price is exactly reached to 50%. Can you guys see or not? I don't know. Let me remove this weekly imbalance so you guys can understand that. Always I say, if a double top and double bottom makes it will reach at least 50%. You guys can see that the market touch exactly the 50%, then a little bit pull back. So the weekly double bottom has complied 50% already. Now question is this, whether it will move up or go down. We need to find that. Now one thing is this, on Tuesday Japan is going to declare early in the morning their interest rate, whether they are going to continue the super ultra zero negative 0.10 interest rate, or they're going to change their interest rate. So that is one major impact will be here. And second thing will be at the last session of Wednesday, US session, you will find the interest rate of US dollar. Whether they will continue 5.5 or they are going to change it in June, July, or they are going to see it for another 2 quarters, we don't know. But we know that there will be huge impact here. So after making this double top, the 50% is here on weekly that I have already shown to you guys. Okay. Now, if we go to daily now, what is happening? We can see. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It is moving up and up. And here, and this is not valid anymore. Sorry, guys. We don't see any obstacle. But what we see here that if you guys can see in daily, there is a little, very tiny imbalance has been left here. Very little, tiny imbalance has been left here. Okay, guys, let's make it daily imbalance. And on the top side, if we go now, what are the imbalances we have? This is number one imbalance we have, right? And this imbalance has been taken out. If you guys see the shadow of this red candle, the bottom shadow and the top shadow of this green, they're lying on the same line, exactly same line. So my perception is this. Considering the weekly market structure and monthly, we have a very big retracement. The seller took the control, pushed it to 14651, then the buyer took the control at the beginning of this month and pushed it to this current level of 149. So it will almost 250 pips, not a matter of joke, in 10 days. So buyers are very strong, but sellers are also showing their attitude at the moment. Now, my way of thinking that it will come if the market has two scenarios. So one scenario is this: it will come and touch. It will take out this. Believe me, this daily imbalance will be gone by the end of Tuesday. If the Japanese changes their interest rate, that before the news, before the impact of the news, the market will take out this. Maybe it will go a little bit high, taking out all these things and touch this, retest this area. And then I don't know where it will go. It will come down, maybe on Tuesday. But again on Wednesday, what is going to happen? That it will show its attitude. So exactly to draw a curve right now is not the wise thing to do. But we have to trade if we want to. So one option I will give, very simple, that if Japan moves, finish or discontinue its ultra low interest rate, the market will come here, somewhere here. I beg your pardon. If it continues its ultra low interest rate, the market will come here and will take out this monthly imbalance. No doubt about it. And if we see that Jeremy Powell at the last session of Wednesday comes up with a decision that the US will delay its process, then I think the market will break out of this area. The market will make a new top, to be honest with you. This top will be taken out. This is my assumption. But what I want to do, if I want to take a trade, my opinion is this: the market will take out this guy first, then it will break this guy this time. This is my only opinion, and if it is so only, then I will take trade. Now from where? Yes, I will take trade from here. Here. But we have the lowest point here and here. As the market will be really volatile, so I need to reshape it. I will take it down to here, and to that I don't need to be stopped out, so I will come here a little bit lower than that. This is the point. I will go take my long position, this, and my stop loss will be a little bit lower than this in this area, this guy maybe, or this green guy. This is my stop loss. These are the two. These are my long, and my short I will not do short at the moment until the market is stabilized, because I have every doubt that the US data is showing currently they are going to change their interest rate on Wednesday. But I don't know the Japanese interest rate. These guys are very cynical. I don't know what they are going to do. So this is the scenario I have in mind. But after Wednesday, of course, if the market goes high, I will wait this. I will go long from here. For short, I will not touch anything at the moment, because if we need to get short, we need to see that Japanese interest has cut down. So if it cut down its interest rate, then we can go for short. But I don't know from where. I have every doubt. I don't know from where. So this is the thing I have in mind. So be careful if you trade USD JPY. And it's a very volatile. It will be very volatile. Here, this week. Here, these two things only if the Japanese stays with their current ultra interest rate, and also now question, if they do, why the price will come here? Why the price will come here? Because of the volatility. The initial impact will draw, at least take out at least 200 pips. Believe me, it will show such attitudes. Or later maybe drag, and it will come somewhere here. First it will be resisted here, then it will be resisted here. So I am taking out this guy. I am taking out this guy. I am depending on this guy actually. The third level I would like to trade, otherwise I am not going to touch it. And if they increase, come out of the ultra low, then this whole thing will be taken out. Believe me, this monthly thing will be taken out, and we may need to think from here. This is the area, and if Jeremy Powell gives a little bit hints about that they are going to decrease their interest rate on June, July, or second quarter, or third quarter, then I am expecting that the USD JPY will breach this 140 level. That's it from me, from USD JPY. Please be careful. Please use stop loss. I repeat it. Please use stop loss if you do any trading on USD JPY, especially USD JPY, because it's a very volatile week. Take care, guys. Please subscribe and share. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, and happy trading.